If you are learning React and your application is re-rendering again and again, or getting stuck, then this video is for you. Today we will solve one of the most common React problems, called the useEffect infinite loop. I will explain the problem, and also show you the correct solution with code.
In React, useEffect is used to handle side effects such as API calls or data fetching. But a problem occurs when we update a state inside useEffect and also include that same state in the dependency array. This causes React to re-render the component repeatedly, which is known as an infinite loop. Here, the count state is included in the dependency array, and inside useEffect we are updating the same state. Every time count changes, useEffect runs again, and this cycle never stops. Most beginner React developers make these mistakes. First, they add a state to the dependency array that they are also updating inside useEffect. Second, they directly call setState inside useEffect, without thinking about dependencies. Third, they do not decide when the effect should actually run. Here we are using an empty dependency array. This means the useEffect hook will run only once when the component mounts. As a result, the infinite loop is fixed, and the application works normally. In real projects, useEffect is commonly used to make API calls. If dependencies are written incorrectly, the API will be called repeatedly, which causes performance problems. That is why understanding the dependency array is very important. Before writing any useEffect, always ask yourself this question: should this effect run on every render, or only once? Based on the answer, decide the dependency array. In this video, we learned why the useEffect infinite loop happens and how to fix it with clean code. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow for daily MERN stack problem solving videos.